Hi, and welcome to Canyon PD's Tip of the Day, where educators get tips, tricks, and ideas that serve, support, and inspire their students. Today's Tip of the Day focuses on a website called Learning in Places, which has designed equitable, culturally based socio-ecological science units intended for K-3 students and their families. Supported by a grant from the National Science Foundation, they have designed several units that can be used by families in their neighborhood with their children. What's great is that each unit is kept short and simple and can be printed on one two-sided page to be sent home to families who do not have internet connections. These activities are written in straightforward, easy to understand language, while still introducing the science and engineering practices, the disciplinary core ideas, and key ideas and practices from social science. The activities all include printable templates to record wonderings, questions, and observations. We know that educating through the lens of equity and cultural sensitivity is good for all students. This website and their units value family and cultural knowledge and provide the research behind the units. The hyperlink for learninginplaces.org can be found below in the discussion notes, and we invite you to engage with Canyon Professional Development through social media. And please don't forget to empower your students to fulfill their purpose. Until next time, this has been your Tip of the Day from Canyon Professional Development.